Enjoy your cooking more with the 2-quart saucepan with cover, Cuisinart Chef's Classic, hard anodized non-stick. The saucepan feels pretty solid, it's got some weight to it, and handles pretty comfortable. I'll be demonstrating some of my cooking with the reasons why I enjoy this Cuisinart 2-quart saucepan with cover. The hard anodized construction heats quickly and spreads heat evenly. The non-stick interior is made of titanium reinforced Quantanium, which is a non-stick cooking surface for durability, lasting food release, and easy cleaning. Not to mention, it also eliminates hot spots, and it's also metal utensil safe. For cooking convenience, there's measuring markings in cups and liters to easily follow any recipe on the non-stick interior. The riveted stick handle stays cool on the stovetop and is made of solid stainless steel. And the handle's pretty comfortable, especially when you're doing popcorn. The tempered glass lid fits pretty snug. It actually locks in the flavor, the texture and nutrients, and also has a wide, easy grip stick handle. If this video was helpful and vibe with you, please visit our product link below in our description for the product information. Also, comment, like, follow, and subscribe for more product videos that we'll be sharing.